Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Today, the Lange Sohne Saxonia annual calendar, reference 330.032, launched in 2010. You can see in rose gold, 38.5 millimeters in diameter, only 10.3 millimeters thick, and 47.3 lug-to-lug with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. We'll throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. It wears quite nicely, comfortably. The strap's a little stiff because it's substantial leather and it's not broken in, but rest assured, this would wear well on a wrist as small as 14 centimeters circumference, no problem, and easily clear a cuff or a tight sleeve. Like I said, the strap takes no prisoners. One of the rarest and most expensive cuts of the beast, large symmetrical rectangular scales and a thick cut of it. We have medium brown, semi-gloss, a monotone stitch, and then a folded edge, calfskin on the bottom, no crimping, no gouging, brand new Lange factory strap. We've got Lange's distinctive faceted and branded pin buckle, and we have that little retaining bar there, so if you use the smallest hole or you punch a smaller hole, you know a tightly strapped watch on a small wrist can get pinned on the pin, hard to extricate from the wrist. That little retaining bar prevents that from happening. And then you can see that we've got a raised bridge here, so if you look at the two prongs, the bridge is raised above them. That allows the strap to sit in the buckle, not under it, so it doesn't stack up on the wrist. And you can see by the little B in the buckle, it was made by Busselador. That was the supplier, which is why you've got a Swiss hallmark on this German watch's buckle. Taking a quick look at the case, we've got Centaur here, which I believe is an Audemars Piguet associated Swiss case maker. And that's why that has a Swiss hallmark as well. The watch is simple, stepped lugs, domed bezel, sheer case flank, all polished. We have the Lange crown, pusher adjusters for the calendar system, and a dial that is both silver and made of sterling silver. The hands, the date frame, the indices, and then the little cabochon indices outboard of the primary indices, they are all 18 karat gold. The disc, I believe, is 22 karat solid gold. At Lange, moon phase discs are made of solid gold. So we've got a sterling silver dial, rose gold dial furniture, and then a 22 karat gold moon phase disc. This is an annual calendar, so it only needs one correction per year during the jump from February to March, and the watch features a moon phase with a 122-year adjustment interval. So set it and it's good for 122 years. Now, of course, we also have a zero reset hacking seconds system. You can see when I pull the crown out, not only does it stop the movement, it zero resets that indication. So it's very easy to set the time to the second. Turn it all over, you can see we've got a caliber here that is called the 085. It's clearly based on the Saxomat. You can see one of the most endearing features of that caliber. We've got a rotor made of 21 karat gold and then a mass made of platinum. You can see satination, snailing, chiseling, beveling, and then blued screws holding it all together. We've got a polished ratchet wheel. We've got a polished steel cover to the escape wheel. We've got a polished and beveled swan's neck fine adjustment mechanism, 3/4 style rotor, so it's as thin as a manual movement, but it has the big open pleasing caseback vista of a manual movement with the convenience of automatic winding. 3 hertz beat rate, 46-hour power reserve, 5 position adjusted. That is the high horology and chronometer standard throughout the industry. It is a movement that has 43 pivot jewels. The bridges and plates are of nickel, copper, zinc alloy. It's called German silver. You can see we've got mirrored beveling on the edges. We've got stripes across the bridges. We've got freehand engraving on the balance cock. We have both polished and fire blued screws. You can see engine turning. There is snailing across the bridge underneath the rotor. You can see how that's rendered, and it's deeply impressive. It's all 30 meters water resistant. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.